In SMS marketing, if your target audience already knows about your product, your headline that you put in the SMS has to start with the product. Hey, what's up, people? My name is Graham Lewis. I'm helping fitness coaches 5x their sales by using SMS. I run a coaching program called the SMS Hero Program, where I show you how to use SMS to max out your sales and achieve up to 5 times the sales you're currently getting. Watch this quick video and see how in one simple step you can achieve 5 times the sales you're currently getting. See you in the video. I'll try and construct this live in this video for you so you can see. So imagine my email list, the people who know Graham Lewis, and he's always talking about SMS and they're aware of the product that I provide. I could just email them or SMS them a message that says, hey, Graham just came out with a new product called SMS Hero Coaching Program. Here's how you can use it and benefit in as little as 2 weeks by 5xing your sales. Your message has to be constructed in a special way, and this is the secret to constructing your SMS message. You would say to them, and wrapping up the call to action in your message, you would say, you need to check this out because I'm going to show you how to do this, this, and this, which means you're going to get that benefit. That is how you switch from talking about the features of your product to talking about the benefits, because it is the benefits that the customer is looking for. He's not looking for your features. So you always talk about the benefits that the customer is looking for. These sample headlines will work for both the problem-aware phase of your marketing and the solution-aware, because it's essentially a very similar step. In the one phase, you're talking about the problem head-on, and at the end of that message in the problem-aware phase, you're presenting your solution, which in the next stage, which is your solution-aware stage of marketing, you are talking about how you solve the pain point and showing the customer. So I'll give you an example of this right now, because in the previous video, we talked about how you would construct your headline for people who know they've got a problem, but they don't know about your solution. So now in this one, we're going to show you how we take the audience from listening to you about, yes, I've got that problem, I have a sore back or whatever the issue is, and by the way, here's something that will solve that pain point. Here are some ways to format your headline in your SMS message. The first one you can try is how to get something in as little as, and you can say a number of steps or a time frame. Or you could say something like how to do something in as little as a time frame, even if you, so those three things, how to, in as little as, even if you. So let's put that together in a headline for you with personal fitness. How to lose your belly fat in as little as 90 days, even if you hate exercise. So now we start working on the vehicle that's going to move your customer from just being problem aware to solution aware. And this happens in the second part of your message in the solution aware text. So you would say something like, the headline would be how to lose belly fat within 90 days even if you hate exercise. Watch this video and I'll show you how to do this with a 7-minute exercise routine even busy executives can manage. So you see how in the second part you then present the solution, because you know most of your target market, who they are and what they're doing, and if they're busy executives, you know they've got limited time, so surely they've just got 7 minutes. So you in that process you're knocking off the objections. They are potentially lazy, they don't want to get off the couch, they're tired, they just want to watch TV, they haven't got time. So you knock all of those objections off by using this construct. Thanks for watching. I hope you picked up some useful information. Don't be shy to comment below in the video. Hit the like button and share the video if you like. I'd really appreciate it if you'll do that. And if you're interested to learn about the SMS Hero coaching program, where I take you through step by step, I literally handhold you every step of the way so that you can build your message, you can get your SMS campaign built, and then I give you a system that'll actually let you run it on the back end seamlessly. You can just DM me for a quick call and I'll help you see if you're the right fit for the coaching program. So thank you for watching.